What is Gucci everyone? Welcome back to another vlog. So we're here at this place. I'm not too sure what it's called. We're somewhere in Manchester. And yeah, we came here. Usually you have to pay, but we came here for free because it's quarantine, the coronavirus still, so we gave us for free. And yeah, we're gonna walk about, see what this place has. It's like a park place type of, and yeah, I'm with my mum obviously. And yeah, before we start, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, join my gang today, turn on your notifications on, and yeah. Yeah, we're just gonna walk about, see what this place is. You can already see like nice view there. Some old trees are growing like down, and there's like a lake there. We all going on this pathway, bridge there you can come across. I think there's two ways in this park. Nice lake. I think it's just a lake without boats. It's just like a small lake. I'll show you the map thing for it. So if you want to come here, you can. Bloody hell, I nearly fell. We're in this bridge thing going across. And yeah, my mum said there's another waterfall, couple waterfalls. I think I haven't told you guys, this place has waterfalls, so we'll be trying to find it. Nice waterfall. It's not like a really big one, but it's like a medium one. We're gonna go close to it and probably get some Instagram pictures, wherever. The weather is amazing. There it is. Amazing. Oh, there's another one. Там два, да?
Ну это который мы проходили, шлюз один открыт, видишь? Стекается.
Right, so we just came across this forest, like a small forest kind of thing. Kind of a lot of like bugs and all that, so we need to quickly go out. Jeez, they're starting biting me. They're biting me already. We need to go, mum. Right, we're coming back. We're just being over there somewhere. We're coming back down, and yeah, I'm not too sure if there's more places to go. We're heading to the waterfall again. Right, so dinner time. We got some sandwiches, a nice pie, some boiled water, and yeah, we just found this bench near the waterfall. We're gonna eat, and then I don't know, we might go back. Yeah, so we found this like bridge kind of way. We just took a quick photo for Instagram, but yeah, we're thinking of going back. It's amazing. We're seeing loads of stuff, and yeah, I think it's time to go back there.
We'll go around the lakes there.
Oh yeah, there's lakes, so we're gonna walk around the lakes for a bit, and then yeah, go back to the car. There's all leaves all together. Never seen that before. Look at that. there's only white bird or ducks, and there's all brown except for one. I'm not too sure what this is. Looks like I don't know, like a wheel kind of thing. I'm not too sure. Not too sure what this is. Looks like a factory maybe. Not too sure. And that is Miro gang. Thank you so much for watching the vlog. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like this video, smash that subscribe button, join Miro gang today. I love you all, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Peace!